I didn't ask you anything. When I came out here, I heard some of you cheer. Take the wax out of your ear, old man. I heard some of you boo. Personally, I don't care what noises any of them make, because what you should have done was gotten on your knees and bow to me. I am the Universal Champion. And take a good look at what happens the minute I'm the champ. You get this brand new gorgeous venue. Why? Because of me. Look at how many people are here tonight. You think they're here? They're here for me. That's all right. I know your wife came here to see me, because looking at your bald head, I'd want to look at anything else. What are you laughing at? Your wife didn't even come with you. I did this. I brought us here. I brought you here. I made Universal Championship Wrestling famous. So next time I enter the ring, you will kneel, you will bow. You know, you'll also be very lucky, because with the current state of the world today,
sleep.
That's because you can't stop thinking about it.
Oh my God, the arrogance of this one. Ladies and gentlemen, let this man know exactly why we upgraded this venue for you, the fans, not his ego. You did nothing, Johnny Walker. I did this with the management team, with the help of our fans. All you did was, what, did you dye your beard? What's like... What is going on here? I mean, just because you have a little bit of a self-esteem issue, I think you've lost a few pounds. Was that because the person that you fought last time was a lot less tubby than you were in the ring? Yeah. I don't know, Johnny. The last show...
You know, that's a lot of talk coming from a girl who never stood in the ring with a real man.
Show me one and I'll stand in the ring with him. That you become a real man, you might be my champion, but I can strip that from you at any time. So know your place, boy.
Are you just stripping anything off me you want, baby?
Oh, I don't know. There are children in the audience here, so let's just move on, shall we? The last show, I unfortunately had to be an announcer because we didn't have anyone to comment on how crappy you were wrestling. So I was distracted, and when we saw the tapes afterwards, I saw clearly how much you cheated.
Oh, I don't cheat, honey. Winning is winning.
Enough. All you do is slap your gum. All you do is slap your gum.
I'll the champ here.
You are a lot of things, Johnny Walker, but you are no champion of Universal Championship Wrestling. So, with that being said, because I have to be here again, oh, it's adorable. You're old enough you can hold it up over your head. I'm glad that the working out's helping for you. So guys, I have to announce at the announcer table again tonight, so I have decided that we need to have an extra set of eyes in the ring. I am bringing on an executive assistant to be ringside for your match tonight, so we can make sure that you don't have to cheat to win.
What the hell is an executive assistant?
This gentleman has over 40 years of wrestling experience, so you guys should probably be the same age. You guys maybe started together? I mean, he has about as much bald spot as you do, so I'm not quite sure.
You been checking me out that hard, huh?
Yeah, no, I just know that when men wear a hat like that, that's what they're covering. So with further ado, I would like to bring out my assistant, Mr. Bill Crude, who will be ringside for your match. Bill, take a bow. And regarding your match, Johnny, since you are so proud of being the champion, I guess you would have no problem with whoever I want to put in the ring with you.
First off, hey, Mr. Crude. Rodney Dangerfield called. He wants his jacket from Caddyshack back.
This is a man who has studs on his hat. Have you seen the sparkly hat he wears too? I wouldn't let him critique your attire at all.
Only a real man can look this great and be this calm.
The comments, again, there are children in the audience. We're going to keep those at a PG level tonight. So back to the business of your match tonight, where everybody came here.
Who are you going to put in here? Who's it going to be?
You know what? Since fair is fair, I was chatting with the chocolate stud, and he wants to enact his rematch clause. And I thought, what better than to have the man that you went and lost 30 pounds to beat to come out and beat you?
You know, the last time I faced this chump, he wasn't a chocolate stud. He was just a little Hershey's Kiss.
Walker, the adults are talking right now, okay? So, guess what? This team right here is going to ensure that this match is won fair. Because obviously, when you're this old, you have to cheat to win. Not tonight, because we have eyes on the prize. So, you know what, Johnny? Do your little dance, whatever the hell you want to do out there. You're going to get kicked all around this ring at the end of the night tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, who wants to see the chocolate stud put Johnny Walker in his place? All right, boys. Let's get out of here. Tatiana, take it away.